Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, and we are going to show you in this video this rather splendid Imari-esque, but it's not full-on Imari. This is a sort of transitional Imari and floral china made by Redfern and Drakeford. It's on an RD number that was registered in 1895, and we think these trios date from somewhere between 1895 and around 1908 on the china marks. Let's just show you those. Have a look at this little teacup. Just look at that orangey red floral branch in the centre of the teacup wall, and then the outside still with this cobalt blue, almost Art Deco in its styling with the sun and drops, but then these floral branches again picked out by the gilders and the decorators. All this colour has been put on by hand by the decorators, as has the detailing around this very ornate scroll arch supported handle. There's your recumbent line R&D, Redfern and Drakeford, and the RD number in a beautiful old-fashioned green, 233182, 1885. That was first registered, so these were made a little after that. Saucer plate, again, beautiful condition, lovely decoration. I do like the sort of combination here of the sort of floral in the Imari colours, but then with the block infill and this gilt that they've used in these just these areas. I suppose it's floral rather than sun, but it does just pop the colour combinations. Again, nicely marked with the R&D recumbent line. Pattern reference is also applied on here by the decorators, 1093. And then the tea plate. Beautiful, well decorated, isn't it? With those opposing blocks of decoration, these two sort of scrolls, and then these triangular areas with the gilt again picking up on the top, again with the R&D line mark on the base, also impressed on the base of this one. Really nice, beautiful, stunning trios in fantastic antique condition, with that little pickup of block that just lifts that teacup an extra portion. Absolutely stunning. Increasingly rare to find in good condition, with the gilt in such bright condition as these trios. If you'd like to find out more about them, then do click the description link below. It'll take you directly through to the Vintage and Antiques website listing where these are going on sale from the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching.